From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if you could give your kids the gift of a perfect night's sleep every night, with the Bauer Kids Sheet and Pillowcase Set? This innovative product is designed to provide the ultimate sleeping experience, with its soft, smooth, and lightweight comfort, crafted from 100% polyester microfiber. The premium elastic installed all around the fitted sheet ensures a secure fit, keeping the sheet in place for a snug and reliable fit on standard mattresses. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional quality and performance. One of the standout features of the Bauer Kids Sheet Set is its durable quality that lasts, made with strong microfiber fabric that maintains its softness, structure, and color through repeated washing and daily use. The sheet set is also easy to care for, being machine washable for simple maintenance, designed to retain softness and performance through repeated use. The softness of the microfiber fabric is evident to the touch, providing a gentle feel against your child's skin, while the fully elastic design ensures a quiet and peaceful night's sleep, without the sound of rustling or shifting sheets. In real-life use, this product is better than others because it provides a smooth, well-layered bed, with a secure fit that stays in place all night, ensuring your child gets a restful and comfortable sleep. The lightweight comfort of the sheet set makes it perfect for everyday, year-round use, whether it's for a child who tends to sleep hot or cold. With the Bauer Kids Sheet and Pillowcase Set, you can give your kids the gift of a perfect night's sleep, every night, and that's a gift that will last a lifetime. So why not give it a try, and see the difference it can make for your child? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.